Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how to make a letter pose using Blender 3.1. Remember, it's quite good, but if you haven't used Blender, just link in the description below, so you could get the latest version. Also, 3.2 is here right now. And don't forget to install the latest version of that. So don't miss that 3.2. Anyways, right now we're gonna do the armature. We're gonna add an armature for that, and yeah, right there. Anyways, we're gonna add an armature or object for that. So we're adding an armature. So, but before I get started, before you could do that, and so how do I separate these text right now? Let me show you how. Okay, I'm adding a text. We're adding a text. Press R. I forgot to even turn on those screencast keys, so you could even see he doing that. We're gonna press R, and we're gonna do 90. Oh wait, sorry. Hey, I mean go to X second and 90. Sorry, I just made it really wrong. At this one, we're gonna extrude. Go to geometry, and we're gonna extrude it like whatever your size is. Whatever yours gonna be extrude. You can extrude whatever you want. I'm just gonna do .15. But if you extrude by 1, look what happens. That makes a lot of extrude. So just leave it a point, whatever number you want to be extrude. So let's get. Anyways, you could edit your text whatever you want, but first right now, we're gonna select these fonts. Okay, right now, since I was using since I was using my, I was using my Chromebook, look, it's kind of really okay. Actually, I got a bold font. And as you can see, you could see a lot of fonts that I just downloaded. But first, I'm gonna select Helvetica bold, so I could use that. But if you want to download a font like the same as mine, just link in the description below. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, now we have this nice thing, whatever your font it is. So we need to you can rename whatever you want. I'm just gonna select John as my name. Lol. And then tab. When you're happy with this one, just press tab. Now, and voila, here is yours. You could do the depth with whatever you want, and it doesn't matter that well. Okay, since you're happy with this one, oh, I forgot. We need horizontal to center, horizontal left to center. So you could even do that, whatever you want. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna even make one most things, like we're gonna do so we're gonna I just messed up. Anyways, I didn't even say. Sorry, my brain was a little bit malfunctioning, but it's okay. Since we're gonna do that, we're gonna convert to mesh. Well, right now I already did that. So after you go to tab mode, see, it's all things that, you know, just nice. So right now, if you want to make okay, so if you want to separate those text, it's really okay. It's okay to do it. So right now we're going to separate, but right now before you separated it, if you separate it without these things like whatever vertices that has distance, and that could not work. So we're gonna press A, right click, merge vertices by distance, and here it is. You removed it. Well, since you have depth on that, I think you had to merge vertices by distance. I don't know. Oh, I'm just guessing it. Anyways, we're gonna press A, right click again, and separate by loose parts. And there it is. We made this look like distance. we made it look like that. So that's really good. So okay, so part 2. Okay, hey, we're moving on to step 2. Since you want to make a armature or text, whatever it is we're gonna click add, or you can press Shift A to add it. Okay, so we're gonna and add armature. If you don't see anything coming in, just look at the center of it. Look at the Y's, right, and X center, so you can even found on yours. So okay, right now okay, so here's the problem. So this one was so big, and that won't even work anymore. So yeah, that could not work. So to fix that, we're going to front, scale it down so it's nice and small, and nice. So okay, so we're gonna click B bone or bendy bone. It doesn't matter, or how is that looking like it. And it's just fine. I just don't get me wrong. It's really fine. Okay, so right now we're gonna go front. Go to edit mode or press tab. Have to go to edit mode. Okay, right now, since we just made this one, just follow these instructions with that. Okay, so right now is go to, which is G. Move it to what's your letter, or go to center that from the beginning, and there it is. If it's really round, if you need more or bones, press E to extrude it. So you could even do it. If it's really round, just follow these instructions with me. Okay, I'll show you about that, and I could even fix it. Fix it right now. Okay, since you made it to round, just keep going, and you're gonna make it. Just promise me. Okay, that's better. But if you see any errors, then whoopsie daisy. He it sounds like Dick. I'm sounding like Daisy. But it doesn't even care about it. Now we made that looking thing. And then yeah. So after you're done with that, just go to pose mode and go right. Just go to J. Go to whatever first letter you are in. It doesn't even care about it. And yeah. So right now okay, so select the beginning letter. What are you doing? Whatever you're using it. So just press Control P and then set parent to with automatic weights. And there. And here you are. And here it is. You made the J one. If you like my Blender tutorial, then like and subscribe for more nice tutorials about these nice Blender tutorials. Well, it's really I'm having some fun on using Blender. It's really nice. So right now, I'm gonna see you next time. Like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials, and we will see you. Bye.